You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this figure from Spanish history, Spanish conquistador, Aztec Empire. Anyhow, if you want to learn more names from Spanish history and Aztec history, stay tuned. The Spanish pronunciation is as Hernan, with the H that is silent, Hernan, with a stress on the nan syllable, Cortés, again stress on the tes syllable, where the accents are you stress on. Hernan Cortez, Hernan Cortez, that's your Spanish pronunciation. Now, in English, it's generally pronounced more as Hernan Cortez. Now, the spelling in English, for some reason, has an S at the end, therefore it's usually pronounced with an S sound, a Z sound. What did I say? A Z sound. Cortez. Hernan Cortez. That's the English spelling and English pronunciation. But in Spanish, it's got an S at the end. Hernan Cortés. Hernan Cortés is the Spanish pronunciation in English, with the Z as an English spelling. Hernan Cortez. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.